Welcome back to the channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 5 best digital satellite finders. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY satellite setup enthusiast, these tools can make your job a lot easier. From clear displays to versatile features, we're going to break down the pros and cons of each device. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Woopker V8 Digital Satellite Finder. The Woopker V8 Digital Satellite Finder is a handy and versatile tool for satellite TV enthusiasts and installers designed to help locate and align satellites with precision. Whether you're installing a satellite dish or troubleshooting signal issues, the Woopker V8 promises to make your job easier with a range of features tailored for both professionals and DIY users. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Woopker V8 Digital Satellite Finder to help you assess its value. Pros: fully DVB compliant. The Woopker V8 supports DVB-S and DVB-S2 standards, making it fully compatible with a wide range of satellite systems. This ensures that it can be used to scan and align free-to-air satellite signals for both MPEG-2 and MPEG-4 formats, making it a versatile choice for different satellite setups. High-quality display. Equipped with a 3.5-inch LCD color screen, the Woopker V8 provides clear and detailed visuals of the signal strength and quality. The color screen makes it easy to read the data in various lighting conditions, and it helps users see real-time adjustments and the current status of the signal during setup. Long battery life. The built-in lithium-ion 3000 mAh battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous operation. This is a substantial amount of time, ensuring you can complete satellite alignment and setup without needing to recharge frequently, especially when working in the field or in remote areas. Multiple signal detection options. The Woopker V8 is capable of detecting multiple TP signals, offering options for auto-blind, manual, or night scans. This flexibility allows users to scan for signals in various modes, helping to find the best reception and optimize satellite alignment. Cons: limited screen size. While the 3.5-inch LCD screen is decent, it may be considered small for users who prefer a larger display for better clarity, especially when working in environments where you need to view the meter and signal details from a distance. The Woopker V8 Digital Satellite Finder is a reliable and affordable tool for satellite TV installers and enthusiasts who need an efficient way to align and optimize satellite dishes. With its user-friendly features, long battery life, and wide compatibility with different satellite systems, the Woopker V8 is well-suited for both beginners and experienced users. Coming in at number 4, the Satlink WS Digital Satellite Finder. For satellite TV enthusiasts, having a reliable satellite finder can make all the difference in ensuring you get the best reception and signal quality. The Satlink WS Digital Satellite Finder is designed to simplify the satellite installation and alignment process with a range of features aimed at providing accurate signal readings. Whether you're setting up a new satellite dish or troubleshooting an existing setup, this tool could be just what you need. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Satlink WS Digital Satellite Finder to help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Pros: clear LCD display. The 2.1-inch LCD screen provides a clear and easy-to-read display of the signal strength and quality. This helps users quickly assess the signal during setup or adjustments without the need for a complicated or confusing interface. The screen is large enough to see key metrics like BER and PWR, which are crucial for fine-tuning your signal. Wide input frequency range. With an input frequency range of 952,150 MHz, this satellite finder covers most of the common satellite signals, making it suitable for a variety of satellite systems. This flexibility allows it to be used for different satellite TV setups, including those using standard or high-frequency bands. Signal measurement features. The Satlink WS offers multiple types of signal measurements: signal strength, signal quality, BER, and PWR. These options allow for a comprehensive analysis of your signal, ensuring that you are receiving the best possible reception. It even measures the bit error rate, which is useful for diagnosing issues with signal integrity and quality. Cons: limited battery life. While the 3-hour maximum operating time on a full charge is convenient, it might be too short for extended satellite installation sessions, especially if you're working on a larger system or in a location where frequent charging isn't feasible. Users may need to plan their work around charging times or keep a backup power source handy. The Satlink WS Digital Satellite Finder offers excellent value for those looking for a reliable and easy-to-use tool for satellite alignment and setup. Its clear LCD display, comprehensive signal measurements, and compatibility with DIS EQC protocols make it a versatile tool for both beginners and more experienced users. The added convenience of a rechargeable battery and USB for upgrades ensures that this device will stay relevant for a long time. At number 3, we have the Woopker VF Digital Satellite Finder. The Woopker VF Digital Satellite Finder is a versatile tool designed to simplify satellite installation and maintenance. With its wide range of features and functionality, it provides users with a reliable way to align dishes and troubleshoot satellite systems. Whether you're a professional installer or hobbyist, the Woopker VF is packed with features that can make your job easier. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of the Woopker VF Digital Satellite Finder. Pros: 2.4-inch TFT color LCD screen. The 2.4-inch TFT color LCD screen provides a clear and vibrant display of the signal strength, quality, and other critical parameters, making it easy to read data and adjust settings. The screen size is compact, yet offers enough visibility to ensure accurate satellite alignment and monitoring. Wide compatibility. The Woopker VF supports a broad range of satellite standards including DVB-S, DVB-S2, DVB-BT, DVB-T2, DVB-C, and DVB-C2. This extensive compatibility ensures that the device works with a variety of satellite systems and is suitable for both free-to-air FTA and pay-TV setups. Spectrum function for signal analysis. The spectrum function allows users to perform detailed signal analysis, helping to identify potential interference or issues with signal quality. This is an excellent feature for professionals looking to fine-tune their satellite alignment and diagnose signal problems. Motor set and antenna motor control support. For users who work with motorized satellite dishes, the Woopker VF provides full support for motor control. This feature enables you to adjust the position of the dish remotely, making the setup process much easier and faster. It also supports DISE QC 1.0/1.1/1.2 and 0.22 kHz tone, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of systems. Cons: basic user interface. While the Woopker VF offers a customizable OSD with multiple color choices, the overall user interface is fairly basic compared to other high-end satellite finders. It may lack the sophistication or ease of use found in more premium models. The Woopker VF Digital Satellite Finder is a solid and versatile tool for anyone involved in satellite dish installation or maintenance. Its wide compatibility with different satellite systems combined with features like motor control support, spectrum analysis, and customizable OSD colors make it a valuable tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Next up at number 2 is the Gtmedia V8 Digital Satellite Finder. The Gtmedia V8 Digital Satellite Finder is an advanced tool designed for satellite dish alignment, installation, and troubleshooting. Whether you're a professional satellite installer or a DIY enthusiast setting up your own satellite system, the V8 offers a wide array of features to help you optimize your setup. With a large screen, support for multiple satellite standards, and powerful diagnostics, this device is packed with useful tools to improve your satellite experience. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Gtmedia V8 Digital Satellite Finder, examining its functionality, performance, and ease of use to help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Pros: large, high-resolution display. The 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen with high-definition resolution ensures that all the information on the display is clear and easy to read. This large screen is a significant advantage over smaller devices, making it easier to monitor the signal strength, quality, and other parameters during satellite setup. Comprehensive satellite standard support. The Gtmedia V8 is fully compliant with a range of satellite standards including DVB-S2, XS2, ST2, TCATS-CCC, and MPEG-2, MPEG-G4, ensuring that it works with a wide variety of satellite systems. Whether you're installing for free-to-air TV, paid satellite services, or even some cable networks, this tool has you covered. Advanced video decoding. The device supports H.264/H.265 hardware decoding, meaning you can easily decode high-definition video streams without any noticeable lag or loss in quality. This feature is essential for users who are troubleshooting or fine-tuning their setups, as it ensures that you're working with the best possible video quality. Signal measurement and analysis tools. The Gtmedia V8 features several advanced tools, such as a constellation analyzer and spectrum analyzer, to help you understand and optimize your signal. These tools are ideal for those who need more than just a basic signal strength readout. The constellation analyzer helps visualize the signal's performance, while the spectrum analyzer provides a deeper look into the frequency spectrum to detect any potential interference. Multiple scan modes and auto calculations. The V8 supports multiple scanning methods including auto, blind, manual, and night scans. This flexibility allows for customized satellite scans depending on your installation or troubleshooting needs. Additionally, the device can auto-calculate the Arizona L angles for dish alignment, making it easier for users to quickly and accurately set up their satellite dish. Cons: limited battery life for intensive use. Although the device has a relatively long battery life, users involved in extended satellite installations or troubleshooting sessions may find that the 4000 mAh battery requires charging more frequently than expected. This could be inconvenient if you're working in remote areas without easy access to power outlets. The Gtmedia V8 digital satellite finder is a powerful and feature-packed tool that offers a comprehensive set of functions for professional satellite installers and advanced users. Its large high-definition display, advanced signal analysis tools, and broad compatibility make it a versatile option for anyone involved in satellite installations or troubleshooting. Finally, at number 1, we have the Satlink ST Digital Satellite Finder. The Satlink ST Digital Satellite Finder is a comprehensive tool designed for satellite dish installation, alignment, and troubleshooting. Whether you're a professional installer or someone who occasionally sets up satellite systems, this device offers a range of features to make the job easier. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Satlink ST Digital Satellite Finder, focusing on its features, usability, and performance. Pros: wide compatibility. The Satlink ST is fully DVB-S, DVB-S2, DVB-S2, DVB-T2, and DVB-C compliant, making it suitable for use with various satellite systems across the globe. Whether you are working with free-to-air or pay TV services, this satellite finder will support multiple platforms, ensuring flexibility for a variety of installation needs. High-resolution 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen. The 4.3-inch high-definition TFT LCD screen offers sharp and clear visuals, making it easier to read signal strength, quality, and other important parameters. This large screen size enhances usability, especially in bright lighting conditions or when fine-tuning signal adjustments during installation. Advanced signal decoding. The Satlink ST supports a wide array of signal decoding formats, including MPEG-2, MPEG-4, H.264/MPEG-4 AVC, and H.265/HEVC hardware decoding. This makes it highly compatible with modern satellite broadcasting standards and ensures it can handle a variety of signal formats, offering great performance for both newer and older satellite systems. Signal quality meter. The digital meter for signal strength and quality provides precise measurements that help users easily detect and fix weak signals. This is crucial for professionals who need to optimize signal performance quickly and accurately. Auto and manual scan functions. With the auto scan and manual scan features, the Satlink ST allows users to quickly find available satellites. The auto scan feature is especially useful for beginners, while the manual scan gives professionals the ability to target specific frequencies and fine-tune the satellite alignment. Cons: lacks advanced signal analytics. Though the Satlink ST provides basic signal strength and quality readings, it lacks some of the more advanced signal analytics available in higher-end satellite finders. Professionals who need more detailed diagnostic features may find this limiting. The Satlink ST Digital Satellite Finder is an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable and versatile tool for satellite dish installation and maintenance. Its wide compatibility, advanced signal decoding, and clear 4.3-inch screen make it suitable for both novices and experienced installers. Features like AV HDMI outputs, LNB short circuit protection, and the ability to perform auto manual scans add to its overall appeal.